Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great day today of trading. Hey, Linda. Welcome, Linda. Welcome. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome, guys. All right, let's go over the markets. All right, markets were up today again. So Dow was up 176 points, guys, on the day. Nasdaq was up. S&P Russell was up, and Bitcoin is currently up, trading at 63,000. All right, so we'll go to the markets. All right, we'll go to the markets. All right, let's take a quick look at the dollar index. All right, currently it shows up, guys, but if you look here, we'll need to move this trend line. All right, it's definitely feeling resistance. Okay, so just keep that in mind, especially with the dollar pair. So we have what's almost three down days. All right, I know it's holding right now, but these candles, we got some white candles coming in. Okay, so that's not good for the dollar. We'll find support at about, currently it's trading at 104, made a high at resistance here at 106, 104 right now. Support, decent support here at 102. All right, so we've got decent support 102. We might find support right here, also 103. Let's leave it here for now, 103, near-term support right here. Okay, all right. Do we have a trend line? Hold on. See if we can bring in a trend line here. Let's do this. Do we need this? All right. We'll just keep the support. Okay. All right. So that's what's going on with the dollar. All right. The Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell. Right over here. We've got, you guys can see here, we've got buyers coming in, no buy signal yet. All right, even the short signal has to cover. It hasn't done that yet. It will do that soon though. Okay, but we do have green candles, and look here, that price is getting above resistance here. Surprise that buy to cover didn't close today. Okay. Now this is on the daily time frame. The Nasdaq, same thing. Buyers are coming in here. Okay, if we can get past resistance here, we could get a buy signal. Market is picking up. It is picking up. The VIX is at 13. All right, so Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell getting some green coming in. Okay, so buyers are coming in a bit. All right, we still need to, like I said, close these shorts and then get buy signals on the daily. This is such a tricky market right now that we will not move it to the 240. Okay. It's sellers could come back in, guys, based on what's been happening. So we'll need a confirmed buy signal. All right. Before we call a buy signal on the equity markets, we'll need a buy signal on the daily. All right. All right. We don't want to get a buy signal on the 240 and then the market flips. Okay. On a daily, we know it's not that it's guaranteed. All right. But it's more solid. Let's say that solid. Okay. All right. VIX is at 1349. All right. Just remember, as that VIX comes lower, low volatility, markets will move higher. All right. So still holding there at 13 and change. Sectors currently down. We'll take a look at the sectors. Most of these guys, look at this, already in here. All right. But we'll take a look at the sectors, see if we can find any opportunities. Not a lot, but just slowly look for opportunities in equities. All right, in equities. Let's see here. Or US 30 traders. There's a great long trade going here. It's really developing. Okay, right here. All right. So if you guys got into this trade, good job. All right. We were looking for a break of resistance right in here, right? Now we had some non-farm payroll data on Friday, which caused a lot of volatility. See here, these big swings right here. Okay, so we didn't call it, but it has been moving higher. So those of you who trade the US 30, right, you want to look for some opportunities on the smaller time frame, you can certainly do that. Okay. This is the 5 minute. You might want to look at the 30 minutes, right? Trading well, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Might have another chance to buy on the 30 minute. It's closed on the 30 minute. Wouldn't do the 60 minute. The 60 minute is solid in a trade right now. Okay, so that's solid in a trade, but that 30 minute in that New York session might give you its closed, its current trade, so might give you another buy signal here. Okay, that's on the US 30. Okay, let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Now we don't have a lot of positions. We added a few yesterday. Let's take a look at those. Okay. All right, so Monster Scalper, long positions, long positions. We do not have any positions in Forex Dominator, okay? All right, so NZD, USD, NZD, USD, this is one we've been holding for a while. Buy signal here on a break of resistance right here, all right? Let's move this. Well, that's fine. All right. Buy signal here, broke resistance, holding firmly here. We do have purple support and resistance. Let's just keep that in mind. But the price is hugging resistance here. So good chance we could move higher. So Aussie, New Zealand holding firm. Good trade going here. All right. Aussie, Swiss buy signal here. Let's move this. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Here is your retracement or your markdown phase. First trade here, second trade. I know it's high in the markup, but look here, yellow support and resistance. That's encouraging. No purple support and resistance. All right, so that's good. So its price is making higher highs, higher lows. All right, higher highs, higher lows. Good trade going here. So Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie, Swiss, and now Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar now showing one of our traders this earlier today. Big picture. There is something going on here, guys, with the Aussie dollar. And as the dollar pairs move lower, as these dollar pairs move lower here, all right, as the dollar index, dollar pairs move lower, right, the inverse Aussie dollar, all right, could move higher. All right, this is on the 240-minute time frame here. We have pretty good resistance here, right? Really good resistance. Support is here. Now, what I was showing her, actually, your kid, is this. If we look here, guys, look here. All right. Now, I know we tend to, want to stay within the time frame, but also keep an eye on big picture too, right? Especially when you guys have been trading with us for a while. Hey, Tylac, welcome, Tylac, welcome. All right, so I'm going to show you guys this again. Let's go through this. This is big picture. And as the dollar is coming down, all right, these dollar inverse pairs, Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, pound dollar, New Zealand dollar, could break out. But this one in particular, okay, Aussie dollar. So we were looking at this today while we were doing some coaching, and I want to show you guys what is setting up in Aussie dollar. Okay, so we're going to start with the 240-minute time frame. That's your trading window. We know that. Okay. All right, hold on. All right, so here's your 240. All right, so keep an eye on that. You have a buy signal right here, and all we're doing, we know sellers are here. and we need to break through that resistance here. All right, to really get going with this trade. Aussie dollar. Now, you guys know what's going on with the Oz, or the additional Aussie pair. So Aussie, here is Aussie New Zealand. You see that's breaking out here. Look at this, guys. Right? Look at the first trade here. From here to here. That's a lot of pips. I don't have the, hold on. Hold on. Let's bring in some color here. All right, so here we are here. That's a lot of pips from here to here. All right, so all the way down here, all the way up here. Here's the second trade bought here currently here. That's Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Swiss. So we do have momentum even with the Aussie pairs. And now Aussie dollar. Okay, so what we're looking for, a break of resistance right here. All right, now we've called this trade already. Be patient with it. A lot of times when these trades pull back, all right, we'll forget it, right? Even if sellers come in like this, sometimes they will retest and we'll forget it. Pay attention to this trade here, all right? Now, 240, I'm going to move it to the daily time frame, all right? You guys see here, this is on the daily time frame. This goes back quite a ways. Here is support here. It's on the daily. Every candle is a daily. Here we are right here. Right here. All right, tie like you on here. All right, this is a big setup that could break out. So you see here, this is where they rejected the price before on the daily. Right here, right here, right here. Here we are right here. And look at this. 3 days of buying. All right. Actually, one, two, we'll count this white candle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. It's holding here, just holding for a breakout. That's the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly. We don't have to do this for every single trade, but boy, when something is setting up, all right, pay attention. All right. Here is support here on the weekly. We've got decent support right here. See, they're holding support right here. And look at this. All right, we have a triangle here. And you know what? We'll monitor this one closely as an example. All right, look at that trend line. All right, look at that trend line holding support. Even all of this we can count because all these failed here. Buyers came back in, all in here. And here we are here. Downward trend line, price is being squeezed. It's got to go somewhere. Good chance it might break through that resistance. All right. And we have confirmation from the other Aussie pairs. Okay, that's the weekly. Take a look at the monthly here. All right. Now again, you don't have to do this with every single trade, but boy, when you notice something is setting up here, just like we did with the Dow when with the pound yen when it broke out. Look here on the monthly time frame, guys. Support here, big support here, all of this here. Look here, price is being squeezed. Look at that. All right, it's got to go somewhere. It's got to go somewhere. It either has to break support or break resistance. It can't stay in here forever. All right. So guess what? We see buyers coming in on the 240. Good chance, all right, it will break through. We have buyers coming in on the daily. All right. On the weekly, it's near resistance there. Okay. So now, again, don't do this with every trade, all right? You can't do it with every trade. Look here, on the daily, look here. Buyers are coming in, big candles here. Resistance is here, looking to break out, okay? So good trade setup. We'll follow this, all right? We'll follow this every evening. I'll build some charts together for this one in particular. Aussie, AUD, USD, and we'll use this as an example, okay, from start to finish. All right, but start looking at, again, not all your trades, but the ones that are setting up, that are waiting for a breakout. Brian always did an amazing job waiting for those big breakouts. Okay, so start, especially our experienced traders, start doing that. Even our new traders, all right, you can start on a smaller scale looking for those opportunities. Okay. So let's put it back here. All right. So Aussie dollar. Okay. Aussie dollar here. I need more data. 3 months. All right, New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD. All right. Good support here. Buy signal was here. Holding here. We need to get past near-term resistance right here. All right. To keep moving higher. Buy signal here. Holding firm. Next target all the way up here. And then New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, much like Aussie Aussie dollar. Okay. They'll run together. Buy signal here, holding. We need to get past resistance here. Nothing in Forex dominator. We do have a short in Monster Scalper, Euro ZAR. All right, Euro ZAR. We don't have a lot of trades, guys, but things will change. Euro ZAR still holding support here. Sell short signal is here, right here. Sell short signal. It is still holding here. This might have room. All right, it's holding here. We got support right here. It's in the markdown phase. Let's do a quick look at the daily here just to see the potential here. All right, so on the daily, look at that. All right, on the daily, sometimes move to the larger time frames. Don't stay on those larger time frames. Okay, keep on your trading window. But look here, sell short signal here on the daily. All right, and here it is breaking support right here. But just know buyers are sitting here, so this might have some potential. If you're in it though, you might want to take some profits because buyers can certainly come back in. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right, but we'll track. I'm curious to see that Aussie dollar, curious to see what it does. So we'll track it every day and we'll look at the larger time frames too. See if we can get a big trade out of that. Okay. And monthly. All right. All right, stock boss, we've got a few trades in there. Energy has retracing a bit. Crude oil. But let's see here. So stock boss. All right, CRK. All right, gapped up today. Looks good. So buy signal here was at 895. Gapped up, close today at 1032. Holding firm. All right, and that's energy there. ORGN. ORGN. All right. That's Anthony's on it. That's Anthony's trade. Retraced a bit. All right. Green candle here. Buy signal was here. Right. Really doing well. Retraced a bit right now. All right. Closed at 93 cents. Still holding though. All right. Still holding. All right. But that's basic material. Right. Basic material. Energy. VTNR still consolidating here. Try to finally make a move higher here. All right. Still white candle, but we'll hold it for now. All right. Good markdown phase. Good risk reward too. All right. Fell from what 18 all the way to right now. Fell all the way to 98 cents, guys, from $18. All right, probably fell further than that. Trading at $1.36. Okay, and that's Stock Boss Bullmaster. All right, JXN. That is financials. Buy signal here, still holding, gapped up today, broke resistance. Strong stock here, really strong. Nothing is affecting this stock right here. Good price action. It's the only reason we still have it here. HCC, that's energy. All right, buy signal here. White candle came in today. Let's take a look here. All right. We'll keep an eye on it. We need buyers to come back in. Energy is weakening. All right. So keep an eye on that. All right. Buy signal here, still holding right here. Hopefully, all right. Here is support right here. You see buyers coming. If buyers don't come in tomorrow, we'll get rid of it. Okay. All right. We're going to let's take a look at the sectors. Okay, sectors. I'm curious to see what the sectors are doing. All right. We know we don't have any buy signals yet. All right. In equities, no buy signal yet. All right. But we do have green candles here. Green candles are coming in on the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell, right? 2 days of green candles. Friday and then today, VIX is down. Sectors are down here, but this can be delayed a bit here or radar here. All right. So it lags a bit. So let's see what the price action is doing in these sectors. Okay. All right. All the sectors were up today. Every single sector was up. Let's see. All right. All right. Silver. All right. Silver gave a sell signal, gapped up today. All right. At 25. Gold. Gold closed, gave a sell signal, trading a little higher today. Energy. Energy sell signal. See what energy is doing here. Healthcare. All right. Nice pullback on healthcare. If it can get past this resistance, look at the trade on healthcare prior. All right. Telecom, big retracement here in telecom, guys. Biotech, green candles coming in, biotech. Consumer staples is close. Look at the previous trade here. Consumer staples. Buyers are coming in here. We have resistance here. Consumer staples looks good. I'll make a note. All right, really good price action. If it breaks through that resistance here, higher highs right here, we get a buy signal. Look what it did before. So we'll keep an eye. Consumer staples. Basic material, right? That's that pullback here. Basic material. No buy signal. Real estate, nothing. Utilities. Utilities looks really good, guys. All right, look at that. Buy signal here. Look at utilities. All right, so they're buying utilities. Consumer communication services, green candle here, no buy signal. Tech, what's tech doing? Green candle here, no buy signal. Yeah, but they're starting to buy a little bit. Home builders, same thing here. What's that? Financials, same thing here. They're setting up. If the buying continue, guys, we could see new buy signals come in on these sectors. Okay. So utilities and consumer staples. All right, let's take a look. And we'll start with Stock Boss right here. Now, I sent out an alert for the yen pairs. Let me know if you guys took on the 60-minute, right? Saw a move overnight last night on the yen pairs. Let me know if you guys had a decent run, if you guys got any of that trade, the yen pairs 60-minute. All right, we have 70 in Stock Boss, guys. That's pretty good. All right, we'll see if we can find some opportunities. So utilities, we've got two here. One second here. So utilities, we've got no buy signal here, and tag. Okay, we're gonna add tag. Hold on. All right, we're gonna add tag. PBI, is that Pitney Bowes? Let me see. I worked for this company years ago. Why is this skips? Let's see here. Out of when I finished grad school, guys, this is my first company I work with, right here. Pitney Bowes. I remember when this stock, when I worked there, this was back in 90. When did I start? 90, 91, 92, right around there. Before the dot-com crash, while we're on here, it's up. It just popped up. That stock right here. I remember that stock was, I think it was more than that. It shows, I thought it was like 70 or something, but it was at, here it shows 2000, 2008. Let me get more data. Hold on. We're off track here, but this is a cool story here. And I remember when I worked for this company, I was there for a while, and everyone was hoping that this stock was going to go to the moon. And this company has, I don't know if you guys know Pitney Bowes, but they do a lot of the mailing equipment. So it's in the, I think, transportation sector. It was a Fortune 50 company when I worked there. I don't know what it is now. Let me see here. Let's put. All right, so we have more data here. So yeah, this was 90, right at the dot-com crash, and I was there all during that time. Yeah, right here, 70. It was at $73. And right now it's trading at $5, guys. And I worked here. I worked for this company, and I remember I cashed out. I got out. And I remember I left. When did I leave? I left. I think right around 2006 or so, somewhere in here, somewhere right in here. I got out right in here, and I remember some of the other folks hoping that it would go up, which go up 100, 200, crazy numbers. Here it is now, 529. After all those years, this was back in, and I worked for this company. Crazy, huh? Pitney Bowes, right out of grad school. So Pitney Bowes, right here. It made a high right here, 2099, right here. I'm giving you guys my age. I'm old. All right, and look here. Hasn't come back. Look here. And I remember so many employees, right? 401ks. I remember one gentleman in particular. We worked together. We were young. I was a bit younger, but just a lot of money putting into that 401k, man. And here it is now, after all these years, from 1999, all these years, here it is. Wow. Yeah, I worked here. Pitney Bowes. I've told this story before. Pitney Bowes, man. Pitney Bowes. This is why we do what we do here. All these years, never made new highs. All right. So utilities, there is one here. So we know what utilities looks good. There's only one though. Let's see here. Oh, hold on. I'm on the monthly here. Okay, so TAC, we have a buy signal. All right, not a bad trade here. All right. So good markdown phase. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. And utilities will sometimes work as a flight to safety. Okay. There's never a lot of the utilities, but here is one here. All right, so buy signal here, nice break. Look at that, nice markdown phase. Fell from about $10, trading at what's that? Close today, 722. Buy signal came in at 7, right at 701. All right, so we'll add this. It's utilities moving. All right, so TAC in stock boss. Okay. Let's see if we can find consumer staples here. All right, so we've got a few here. No buy signal here. No buy signal here. All right, no buy signal. All right, hold on here. All right, let's add this one here. OTLY. Let's make sure here. All right. All right. This fell from $4 and change, trading at $1 and change. We do have resistance right here. So we have a few areas. So here, resistance right here. So it looks like it get past that resistance. Buy signal here. Next level of resistance is up here. I'm just trying to find something, guys. Find something here. Next resistance all the way up here. Okay. All right. So that's OTLY in stock boss. Okay. Now we'll go through. We don't have the other sectors setting up. They're not quite ready yet. So let's take a look at the other sectors here. Okay. Healthcare. All right. See what's coming through there. 70. Well, how many was it? 72? Remember, a month ago, guys, we were lucky if we could find 20 in these, right? So we know they're buying again, the institutions, right? A lot of healthcare coming up. If that sector gives a buy signal, the thing with a lot of these healthcare stocks, they're in the Russell, okay, and all the small caps, and the Russell hasn't been moving a lot, so that's why we haven't seen big moves in these. Let's go to technology. All right, we have a few here. Let's see what's setting up. All right, look here. Our stock boss traders, right? Even our bull master traders, just start, because if we get buy signals this week, I mean, it could happen, and the markets could start making all-time highs, keep moving higher. All right, so start paying attention to these here. See here. All right, nice sell-off, nice markdown phase, buy signal coming in here. All right, so let's start getting ready. Just in case, look at this here. That's setting up here. Buy signal there. No buy signal yet on this one. Nothing here. Nothing here. Even this one here, right? Good risk reward on this one. All right, this one fell from. Don't you love this? Is that right? Is that right? Did that fall from 500? That can't be right. 2.77 cents. I don't know. That can't be right. Someone, guys, one of you pull it up, go on like Yahoo Finance, see if that stock dropped from 500 to 77 cents. Let's take a look at. That's the monthly. Now, I think that might be a misprint. That's crazy if it did. All right. I got to stay on track here. Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right. This one here is setting up. We just need a buy signal here. Okay. All right. But we'll wait on technology because sellers could come back in. All right. We don't have any buy signals yet. So the two, we'll add those. Bull Master, let's run it. So 78, run it again. 78 in Bull Master. Okay, it's picking up. Basic material here. All right. Utilities down here. 2 in utilities. That's gone. Look at this utility here. All right, that's gone there. Okay. Consumer staples. All right. Look at that trade here. Okay. All right. Quick look at Monster Scalper. So Aussie, Kiwi, guys. Aussie, Kiwi. Okay. The yen pairs, dollar pairs. Hold off on the dollar. Okay. I mean, I know it's moving lower. You guys might find some opportunities. Okay. But you know that dollar, we could see buyers come in that dollar. If you're gonna trade the dollar, trade it on smaller time frames. Okay. The yen pairs, like I said, we send out some possible trades on the 60-minute time frame. Let's do it in here. That 240 might be getting ready here. All right, so here, 60-minute time frame here on the ZAR pairs. Let's take a quick look here. On the yen pairs. So they're setting up. They all have buy signals. Look here. All right. And I know we don't normally trade on the 60-minute, okay, but I'm trying to find some opportunities here, okay? So let's go through this quickly and then we'll be done, I promise, okay? So 60 minutes on the for the yen. All right. And then what we're going to do, we're going to look for confirmation. We'll look for confirmation on the daily. We'll bring in the daily here. Okay. Just a quick trade. find something because we don't have much right now. All right, let's see here. Okay, so ZAR yen. All right, and I know ZAR is volatile. So on the daily time frame, you see here, we're in the markup phase. Buyers are in control right here. Here is the 60-minute. We have a buy signal. All right, we have a buy signal here on the 60-minute. Here is your markdown phase. All right, so you can bring in your lines on even on the 60 minutes. Okay, even on the 60-minute. All right, here's your markdown phase right here. All right, even on the 60-minute, we're just trying to find some opportunities here. Okay, buy signal here. It's not too far gone. Target is here. Okay, and we know we're right here. We are buy signal on the daily. Look here, buyers are in control. We're in the markup phase here. Right, buy signal here. All green candles looks good. That's ZAR yen. Let's look for dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Here's your markdown phase. All right, buy signal here on the 60-minute. Right on a beautiful break of resistance right here. Look at that resistance. Look at that buy signal. What a beautiful candle here. Buy signal right here. Blue triangle. It's hard to see. All right, nice big candle here on that 60-minute. That's good confirmation. Here on the daily, here was right retracement, and we got right now green candle trying to recover after your white candles here. We know that's a bullish sign. All right, after these white candles, green candles come in, that's bullish. White candles, green candle come in, that's bullish. Okay, so dollar JPY, but just know the dollar pair, dollar yen will follow sometimes will follow um, the dollar index. Okay. HKD JPY. Let's just find some opportunities here. Look at this, guys. All right. On the daily, looks good. Buy signal clearly in the markup phase. Retraced right here. All right. White candles. Now we've got buyers coming back in on the daily. Good confirmation there. All right. 60-minute. All right. You guys know normally we'll do the 240, but let's find something here. Here is your markdown phase here, and you got a nice discount here. Good discount. If it fails, you close to support there. Okay. Even our new traders can try this. Okay. So Linda, I know you're new, right? So you can go to your time frames, smaller time frames. You have it in your monster scalper. All right, and you can do this. All right, so buy signal here, break of resistance, buy signal here, good markdown phase, all those sellers here, good. Target would be right here. Okay, support is right here. So if it breaks that support, you get a sell signal. Right, here is your protection here from here to here. Here's your opportunity up here. All right, so HKD JPY. All right. Whenever the market's doing the type consolidating like this, guys, bring down your time frames. Look for opportunities, kind of like this, but go in the direction of the overall trend. All right. All right. This one here, just a breakout. It's not in the markup phase. A lot of consolidation in here. This would not be your first opportunities, but sometimes they'll move. Buy signal here. It's breaking out past this resistance right here. Okay, let's take a look at the 60-minute. Just know on the 60-minute, you might have to watch it a little closer. All right, markdown phase here. All right, buy signal, big candle breaking out. NZD JPY, euro yen. All right, buyers are coming in 2 days of buying, guys. All right, yesterday and today, green candles are coming in. Very bullish sign. Very bullish sign. Okay, right here, white candle, green candles, right? No guarantee that they will continue, but that's a very bullish sign. All right. And then here it is on the 60-minute buy signal here, breaking resistance right here. Buyers are coming in. These are decent trades right now. Euro, what's that? Euro yen. All right. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen, same thing. Buy signal here, right? Held support on the daily. Buyers are coming in here. Okay. Target would be all the way up here. All right. From here to here, guys, on the 60-minute, that's about almost 300 pips there. Okay. That's not a bad trade. Okay. That's pound yen. We did euro yen, Aussie yen. They're all doing the same thing. And that's confirmation too. When they're all lining up, guys, buy signals on the 60-minute time frame. All right, look here. Nice pullback, moving up nicely now. All right, here we are, buy signal, breaking resistance here. All right, hasn't gone too far. All right. We did euro yen, SGD, JPY. They're all doing the same thing. Look here. All right. You've got that discount already, right? All that selling, you've gotten that discount. Buy signal here. Okay, looks good. All right, and they held throughout today too. Okay, buy signal here. Right, we don't have any green candles yet, but that could come in. CAD yen, TRY. Stay away from TRY. And Swiss yen. I would wait on Swiss yen. You have other opportunities. Okay, so you have some opportunities there, guys, right? And and sometimes what could happen, these trades on the 60-minute could turn into, could turn into beginning nice trades on the 240. All right, so if that buying continues, we could actually see buy signals come in on the 240, and you would be in that trade already. Okay, so I think that's a decent opportunity here. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. That's all I've got. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Take a look at this trade, our monster scalper traders. All right. Take a look at this opportunity here in the yen pairs. Okay. Only real opportunity we see right now. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye bye.